Okay, now it is time to demonstrate to you what I just show you guys. Sorry, that was a particular sales page that we are working on. So now we are in Ads Manager. Like I told you, everything about ads take place in where? In Ads Manager. So we are in Ads Manager now. This is a product we are selling in Ghana. So what you do is to click on this create. Let me see if I can move this so that, okay. What you do is to click on this create. Can you see this create? Yes, this is where you click on, and that is exactly what I am going to do right now. So I'm clicking on it now. As I clicked on it, you can see there are some options there. The first one is, you can see there is awareness. This is campaign objective. You are choosing campaign objective now. There is traffic, there is engagement, there is leads, and there is sales. App promotion is when you have app, right? Now I want to go one after the other and give a little bit of explanation. I'll just give a little bit of explanation while I'll go to the main thing that concern us as e-commerce. Okay, now as e-commerce, what concern us is basically sales. So our main campaign objective is sales, but a few people used to go for leads, which is also fine, especially e-commerce in Africa. They are basically lead because they fill the form, then you deliver the product to them, right? So some people go for leads. It is the same, right? Especially e-commerce in Africa. But we basically, what you should focus on is to choose sales. This should be your campaign objective. Select sales, right? In the sales, you are now going to be able to target people, right, that are interested in buying your product. Now there's app promotion. If you have an app, people that used to have app and they want people to download their app, or the people should install their app, whatever they use it. Then leads is when you want to generate lead. What is lead? Lead are people that you follow up and advertise to them later. You generate people, you get them to fill a form so that you get their email or phone number, then later you sell your product to them. And this is the argument of people of e-commerce people that used to go for leads objective instead of sales, right? Then engagement, if you want to grow your page, you have a page and you want people to engage with the page so that you can get followers, you can get like, this is engagement. Traffic, if you have a website or something, or even your page, and you want people to come and check something out. Now the disadvantage of traffic is that people may check out, they may not necessarily take the action you want them to take. That is the disadvantage, right? Awareness, in awareness you see you see awareness is majorly used by big companies. You want people to know about your products. For instance, now I have a shop within my area. Yeah, you can use that too. That is what we call local. In Google we call it Google local advertisement. You have a shop in your area, you can select only that area so that Facebook will be showing people that are within that area the location of your shop. You are creating awareness. Big brands like Coca-Cola, like Jumia, like a lot of them, you can see they will be running ads, right? Even Oraimo, for instance. Now Oraimo will be running ad, but if you click it, you are not going to buy their product. They just want you to create awareness. They want a lot of people to know about Oraimo. That is awareness, right? Awareness. So right now I'm going to dive into each of these campaign objectives. Yeah, I'm going to go into sales, which is our main objective now. Then I'll set up ads so that you see it, how ads is being set up, right? So let's go there. All right, so you see, if I click on sales, they say, look at the objective, look at what they say at the end here. They say sales, find people likely to purchase your product or services, which is for e-commerce. Good for conversions, catalog sales, messaging, Instagram and WhatsApp calls. This is good, especially that first thing that they say, find people that are likely to purchase your product or services. This is good for us in e-commerce, and that is what we are doing here. So I'm going to click on sales now. Then I'll continue. I'll click on continue. All right. So now we are, remember I told you that there are 3 levels of Facebook ad, and that is where we are now, right? Can you see? If you look here, you are going to see new sales campaign. This ending here shows what it is. It's campaign. And if you come here, you're going to see new sales campaign, new sales ad set, right? This is the ad set level, right? This is the second level, right? This is the first level, which is campaign level, like I told you in the other video, right? Then this is the ad, right? The last statement there shows you the level that is it. For instance, now here you see campaign. This is the campaign level. Ad set. This is the ad set level. Ads. This is the ad level. Okay? If you look at it, this side too is the same thing. Campaign, ad set, ad. Whatever you are doing here, whatever you are doing, you are going to see it to be showing in these other places. Anything, any action you are taking here, it is going to be showing here too, because it is the same, right? It is the same thing. Okay, so now we are at the campaign level, as you can see. All right, now I told you at the campaign level, the basic things you do are what? To objective of the campaign. Can you see we have already selected sales? You can decide to change it here. Then if I scroll down, I don't know if it is possible to scroll down in this window. No, this window is just for writing. I will not be able to scroll down. The next thing you can see down here is the budget. And inside the budget, you are going to see there is campaign budget and there is ad set budget. You select based on the one you like. If you select campaign budget, we'll be able to set up budget here. This is the campaign level. If it is ad set, we will not be able to see set up budget here. You are going to only set up budget when you come to ad set level. So let me clear this so that we attempt it, so you see everything as I explain. I believe you guys are following, because I don't want to teach and people do not understand. Okay, I want to make sure that everybody understands everything, even if you are completely from scratch. All right, okay. So now this is campaign. Like I told you, this is campaign budget, and it is there. That is why you can see there is place where you can set budget here. We can set 10,000, 20,000, whatever we want to set here, because it is at campaign budget. If we bring it down to ad set budget, you see that thing will disappear. You see it has disappeared now. You will not be able to set budget here again until you come to ad set. Now, I advise you to, just as a beginner, just start with campaign budget. Start from there. Don't worry. Everything is step by step. You are going to learn how to do other things later, but start from there. So, now, the first thing we want to do is to give our campaign a name. What do we call it? We have test ads campaign. Just now, I suggest you give your campaign name based on the product you are selling. Let's say I'm selling, let me indicate the target as targeting as well. I'll say ZT, which is zero targeting. Remember I told you about zero targeting in one of the videos, in the last video. Now, zero targeting is basically when you are not targeting anybody. It means you are targeting everybody. That is what it means. You are not targeting anybody, it means you are targeting everybody. What it means that you are telling Facebook, okay, go out there and look for people that are likely to buy my products. I don't know how you get them. I don't care how you are going to get them, but that is what you should do for me. That is what zero targeting means. Okay, so let me say zero targeting test campaign. Then let me write, let me say we are selling sneakers, right? Sneakers. Then let me put the country we are selling it at. Let's say Ghana. I mean, most of my ads, most of my e-commerce, I do it in Ghana, right? So now we are done here. The next thing is to, then you now click on next here. Can you see next here? I'll click on next here. Now I am in the ad set level. This is the ad set level, right? You can see that this thing has shifted. Okay, I want everybody to understand this class. You see it has shifted now. You see this, you see what will you call it, has shifted to this place now, and here it has shifted to ad set, right? It has shifted to ad set as well. So it means we are at the ad set level right now. Okay, so so let's get started. Let's give our ad set a name, right? Remember I told you that we are doing zero targeting. Let me just put ZT, zero targeting, then sneakers, just like the other name, then Ghana, right? All right, so let's go down now. You can see there is conversion, right? Conversion location. Let me be using highlighter here. Conversion location. There is conversion and there is conversion location. You can see it. This conversion location is basically where are you sending people to. Are you sending people to your Instagram? Are you sending people to your WhatsApp? Let me click on it now. You can see there is website and app, there is website and shop, there is website and install, whatever. But our own is website. We are sending people to our website, right? Then performance goal. What goal do you want Facebook to measure? We want maximum number of conversion. That is why you can see it here, right? You can see there is other also maximum value of conversion. No, maximize number of landing page. You know, forget about this one. What if person view landing page and the person do not come and buy? We want people that will view landing page, the maximum number that will view landing page, and they will buy. That is maximum number of conversion. So that is what you want to select. Now ad set. Now this ad set is pixel. I'm going to do a class completely different on pixel, so forget about it for now. Then conversion event. What event do you want Facebook should choose as your conversion event? There is also custom conversion. Forget this one. We are going for purchase. We are running this thing. We want purchase. That is, they are trying to ask you what event do you want. We want purchase, people that will buy, right? Now all these ones, all these other things you are seeing, value, whatever standard, just forget it. Don't mind anybody here. Now you see budget and schedule. Had it been at the campaign level, we change it to ad set budget. This is where you are going to set budget. This is where you are going to set budget, but we have changed it to campaign budget. That is why you are not seeing it here. Schedule, you can decide to schedule it to some other days, but sometimes you cannot change this time, but you can change date, right? But sometimes you can be able to change this time. You can even schedule it to 12 p.m., 12 a.m., whatever. So this is where you do all those ones. Okay, but if you don't want to do that, you can simply set up an ad and leave it at drafts. You wait until the time come when you want to publish, you publish. That's all. So let's go on. Now you can see there is a location here, right? By default, if you are setting up ad, you are going to see the location, the city, the village, in the country you are. That is what you are going to see here by default. However, you can click on this. Can you see this? Can you see, if you click here, there is going to be, there is something here coming. There is one pen something that used to be here. Let me open it so that you see it. I think it was obvious then. Now if you bring your cursor here, can you see this pen something? If you click on it, you are now going to see where to search location. Can you see search location here? Let me say Ghana. My own is Ghana. You see Ghana, you see country or region, that is the one you should select. You see there is also Accra, Greater Accra region, Ghana city. Don't select this one. There is also this one, Kumasi Ashanti region, Ghana city. Don't select all this one with cities. Select the one with country or region. Right? If you select Ghana, for instance, if you select Ghana, then if your product, you are not selling your product in Nigeria, you come and cancel Nigeria. So you see, it is Ghana that is there now. But if you are selling in Nigeria, or you want to sell in a state in Nigeria, let's say Lagos, your product is only in Lagos, then you can type Lagos. You see, Lagos, Nigeria, right? You can now remove Ghana since you are only selling in Lagos in Nigeria. But if you are selling your product in Lagos, Abuja, Kano, let me say Abuja again, Lagos, Abuja. Okay, you see Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, you select it. You are selling in Port Harcourt again. Port Harcourt. You see Port Harcourt, state in Nigeria, you say all the places you want, you select them. Okay, now let me show you a little bit again, a little bit of thing again. This is Abuja, right? If it happens that you want to sell your product only within the cities, you know Abuja, there are villages, only within the cities of Abuja, you see there is something here, right? They drop down here, click on this drop down. You can see, you see it is 25 miles. You can drag it down to 10 miles or so, right? Or you can, or if you don't want to see it, the map now is now showing much. You see it is more targeted in Abuja now, right? Now if you don't want to do that, what you want to do is to do something like, you see current city only. You click on this current city only, so it's now going to be strictly Abuja. Now for a record, you can see situation where you target only Abuja, but people like in Nasarawa, in Niger, and in Kogi, those are because there are some villages or some towns that are intertwined, or there is someone in Nasarawa that has set his Facebook location as Abuja, or there is somebody in Niger that has set his Facebook location as Abuja. So these people, they will be able to see your ad. It's based on how they set their Facebook location. So for us, I'm going to put Ghana. So let me just put Ghana and we go ahead. All right. When you go to advanced classes, we are going to discuss this more when we go into advanced classes, advanced marketing, advanced a lot. Now, if you come down here, you can see placement here, right? You can see placement here. So you come to this show more settings. Please don't forget, show more settings. Can you see it? Show more settings. Please, let me highlight it so that you see. I want everybody to see it. Show. Please don't forget. You see placement. Come down. You see show more settings. Please, this one that is saying thread something, remove this one. You delete it, you cancel it here, or you even leave it. If you like, you cancel it. If you like, you delete it. It's all the same. You leave it. It's all the same. So I'm going to click here. Now you can see devices and operation systems. If you don't want laptop people to see your ad, you cancel it here. But please don't touch here. Don't go here. I don't want to talk much about it because some of you, it is what they say you should not do that you do. So platforms, you can now see them: Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger, WhatsApp, Thread, right? Facebook on all these places is not yet showing on Thread, but please cancel, remove this one. Ads don't convert in these places. Thread, I don't know for future, but now it's not converting. Remove it. Okay? Remove it. Right? Then Audience Network, ads don't convert in Audience Network. Now remove it as well. All right, so I think we are done here. Now can you see the platform now has changed to Facebook and Instagram? Before, you are going to see all, it has changed to Facebook and Instagram. You see this one, allow limited spend to exclude placements. Please untick this one. And as you can see, we are done in this session. So the next thing is to click on next. We click on next. Now, as we click on next, if you notice, we are in here and we are also in this place. That is side by side showing, right? We are in the ad level now. And remember, I have discussed extensively what happened in the ad level, right? So in this ad level, what you are going to do is, I'm going to teach you philosophy of Facebook ads. In that place, I will show you how to test Facebook ad creatives. But here, let's just discuss basic things first. So you are going to give it a name. ZT sneakers, then Ghana. Where that Z, it means zero targeting, right? Okay, why do I call it zero targeting? Because let me go back to this ad set level, please. Let me show you why I'm calling it zero targeting. That is very important. I forgot to explain it, right? If you come here, if you come to, you see audience here, you see there is these controls. You show more controls here, right? If you click here, you are going to see, oh, let me see, it's not here. Yeah, well, you see suggest an audience, show settings. You are going to see here, you see detailed targeting. Can you see detailed targeting here? Can you see detailed targeting here? Let me click on, if you come here, can you see this here? Click on it. See, under detailed targeting here, you can see there is demographic, there is interest, and there is behavior, right? Let me click on browse so that you see things for yourself. You see demographic, interest, behavior. Demographic, for instance, now you are targeting people based on their financial, their education, their financial, their life event. If you go to education, it's subcategory again. Education, you are going to target people educational, based on educational level, based on their field of study, based on their schools, undergraduate years, financial. So these are detailed targeting. If you come down to, let me say, life events, right? Okay, you are going to see anniversaries, you see away from family. You see some people just travel and they update it on their status. Before you know that location, they will not, let's say you travel to Dubai now and you update it on your Facebook that you just left Nigeria for Dubai on your Facebook. Before you know, you now start seeing ads in Dubai that say, welcome to Dubai, you need a comfortable hotel, you need, this is because they use these features to target you. Not be magic, they use these features to target you, right? Away from home, birthday, you are having birthday, you are now start seeing you having birthday on like in 2 weeks to come, and you start seeing people start saying, and you start seeing ads on Facebook that celebrate your birthday with this and this because you update it there. Let me click on that birthday. Let's see if I click on birthday, you are going to see birthday month. You see some people will be celebrating that my birthday month, they'll be saying my birthday month, whatever. They will not be targeting with this upcoming birthday. You see all these things, they are detailed targeting. Now, why do I call my own? You see all of them, they are all here, right? This is based on what? Demographic, right? There is also based on interest. Let me click on it. Based on interest. Are they business people? Are they entertainment, family and relationship, fitness and wellness? You can select fitness and wellness. You are going to see a lot of other things. Bodybuilding, people that are into sport, physical exercise. If you are selling product that has to do with bodybuilding, physical exercise, you can come here and target people based on this. All right. So they are all there, right? It's something that you can go through to check, right? Then another digital targeting is behavior. How are they behaving? And are they behaving? Are they digital activities? What are they doing on social media? This is all detailed targeting. Now, why am I calling my own zero targeting? That is because we do not target any of them. We leave it open for Facebook to look for. You see, I do not select anyone among this targeting. That is why it is called zero targeting. It means you are not targeting anybody. It also means you are targeting everybody, which means you are telling Facebook, hey, use your machine learning and artificial intelligence to go and search for people that are interested in my product and show my ads to them. That is zero targeting. If you are starting out, focus on zero targeting first. So I think I've explained this. Now we are in ad level. Now in ad level, that is where you select the Facebook page you want to use. There are a lot of Facebook page. You can see they are all here, right? But I'm using this one, Ageless Africa. Then you also use, you see there's this place, right? You see Instagram account. If you don't have Instagram account on this page, most of our e-commerce product, you don't have Instagram account, just click, there's going to be a drop down and say click use Facebook page. So they are going to use your Facebook page on Instagram instead. But if you have and you want to connect, you just click here and they'll ask you to log into your Instagram and you'll be able to log in. Now you scroll down. All these ones, leave it like that. Just go first. All right. Now you see this place where they say multi-advertiser ads. Untick it. Why? Because if you tick it, you leave it tick, it means Facebook is going to show your ads to one person alongside other people's ad. For instance, now I am selling weight loss product. You are selling weight loss product. Another person selling weight loss product. Facebook is going to show our ads the same time to one person, so that the person will have a choice to choose. Now you see this type of things, Facebook, you are not going to get better results because there is too much option for the person. So untick it so that Facebook will show your ad only you to one person at a time. You see this one is, it said manual upload, leave it at that. Single image or video, just leave it at that. Just as a beginner, just forget, just move on like that, right? You come here, destination. This is where you enter your website, right? Let me just enter something like example.com, right? Example.com. All right. So if you enter it, always preview it here. Preview it here. Let me use one of my website. Let me use here. I don't know if this website is still working safe. Let me use this one. This one is still working, I think so. So let me copy this one so I will do it live. All right. So I'll put the website here. You put it here. Then you see it say preview. Always preview. Preview it to be sure. You can see the website is going, right? So you always preview it, right? Then if you come down, sometime you see this place where you see add on. You are going to see it is here. Don't leave it there, please. Always take it to this none. Always, because it's going to ask you to put a phone number. Okay. Now then, add creative. What creative do you want to use for this ad? I will select, if it is image, you select image. If it's video, you select video. Let me go with video. Then I'll select any video and put. Now if you come here, can you going to see edit ad source? This ad source, please edit it, delete it, you don't need it. Then you click on next. So you see, these are some of the videos I have used here. So I'm going to upload one of these videos. I'll just upload it. All right, I'll upload it. You see this one, it is showing you that original whatever. You see this one is perfect, this one is perfect, but this one is showing you something. So bring it to this recommended and it will be okay too. So you see it is okay too as well, right? Then you click here. Then the primary text. Now I am going to teach Facebook ad copywriting, because this is where a lot of people get it wrong. So I'm not going to put too much effort into Facebook ad copywriting here, but I'll just tell you that this is where you put. Let me see if I can find a page where I can show you what you are putting here, how it shows. Let me see if I can find a page. Oh, exactly. Can you see this ad now? You see this text you are seeing here? You see this text you are seeing here? That is what we are putting there. And you see, if this text doesn't get people's attention, nobody is going to click on this ad. Including you, you will not click this ad. So you have to make sure that this text, there are qualities you need to understand of this text. I'm going to teach it at a different class, right? But I usually have my reserve. I usually have my reserve. I keep my things tight, right? I have a text, primary text. I have plenty of them that whenever I want to run an ad, I just go there and pull it based on the field that I'm running. You see ad creatives, right? See, they are here. Okay, you see they have, each of them, they are very short, but they are well targeted, as you see me, right? You see, this is a creative that you can use. This is another creative, you see, that you can use. You see, this is another creative, right, that you can use. All these ones. All right, so I'll put it here. Now Facebook is going to generate 5 AI alternatives for you. Please, you see, they are here. Apply all 5 of 5, so that they are going to use them variation. Me, I used to off it. You can untick it here. They show you this, just cancel it. It has unticked. Facebook don't know how to write anything. All these, their AI don't know how to write anything. Forget that. That is why Facebook AI will never replace any good copywriter. It will never replace. Right? So this is headline. Oh, this is the headline. All right, let me show you headline here. You see where they say put headline, you put that short text. Now let me go to Facebook and show you headline. You see this write-up that you are seeing here, this one that say book a content creator today. That is the headline, right? Now the next thing is what? You see this one that say book now. This is call to action. We are going to select our own here, right? We see call to action. Our own is order now, because we want them to order a product, right? It's order now. You see, we are done. Then next, all these ones now, just forget, just click done. And we have set up our ad successfully. All right, but then let's preview it so that we see how it looks like on various platforms. All right, so you see our ad has been set off clean. The next thing is let's preview it. I see advanced preview here. You see, this is how it looks like in various platforms, right? Then we save because it is okay. So what we do next is to publish. I'm going to publish it now and remove and off it because I'm not running it. So I'll publish it now. Click publish here. I have clicked publish. You see it is publishing 1 of 3. You see 3 of 3. Publishing 3 of 3. You see, one ad set, one campaign, one ad set, and one ad has been published. No, just cancel it. So you see, it is the ad has been published here. You can see it. You can see it. So a very big congratulations to you. You are able to set a Facebook ad. Now it went into review process. Then Facebook will review to see if it follows their terms of service. Then they'll approve it or they'll disapprove it depending on what happened. So I'm going to off it. We'll see in subsequent videos where I am going to take time to explain to you the detailed targeting as well as the pixel, then how you can also do the distinct